Hey, Chris Menard here. Real quick, we have added a lot of content to our Microsoft Teams online class. Whether you're on Udemy or on the Teachable class, they are exactly the same, the content we added. Just wanted to run through some of the additions we've put in here. So if I scroll down, I'm about to go make these all public. Delete chat files. Notice that is not delete chat, it is delete chat files. Chat with yourself is a new feature that they came out with recently in Teams around April or May. Group chat versus team is a video we created on which one is best and different examples of when to use each. Down some more, always name meetings. This is a pet peeve of mine. Teams will say meeting with Chris Menard when you do a meet now. Horrible name, always change it. And we explain why and how to find your meetings. 5 recorded meeting tips, of course, that is in there. Check your audio devices if it's not working for a meeting. And 2 more, organizing teams and channels. And, 3 more. The second one is time zone. You can now tell what time zone someone is before you start chatting with them or invite them to a meeting. And LinkedIn is now integrated with Microsoft Teams. So we're about to publish all these. This will take this course up to over 2.5 hours. Thank you for your time. Let me know if you have any comments or questions about the course. And again, it's on 2 different platforms. Take care.